It's it's me, Noah. As you can see, I have Duolingo caked up on a Thursday afternoon. Anyway, I'm sorry Brad said that. I'm sorry. But anyway, as you can see, I do have Duolingo. You might be wondering, what language are you trying to learn? I'm trying to learn Japanese. Because I really want to go to Japan. And I thought it would be great content if I record myself doing a level of Duolingo. So let's get started. As you can see, there's my avatar. Basically, it's just me on a school night. It's just me on a school day. Normal school day. What was that? What the heck was that? So anyway, our Japanese characters here. You don't need that right now, but we're gonna keep going here. Already did the tutorial. So now we're just gonna do this.
ください。
ください。
寿司、
水、
お茶、
Oh crap.
ご飯、お茶、
寿司ください。
Sushi ください。Sushi, please. I like this. I like the way she dances. It's funny. Sorry. Green tea. I think ocha.
お茶、
Yay. Continue. Mizu. What the heck?
Sushi とご飯。
Whoa! Sushi. Oh. Sushi and green tea, please. Oh. Green tea and water.
ご
Gohan
飯。
to Mizu.
水、
Crab.
み、お、お茶。
Ocha. Oh, okay. Wait. Ocha.
お茶、
Green tea. Sushi,
Sushi.
sushi. Okay, hold up. I know if you saw that, but if you look at the battery, oh, it's charging now. But if you looked at the battery, it was charging when it didn't even have the light bulb, the lightning bolt. That is scary. Give me water.
水、
Now I can turn them up a full volume so we can hear. Or is it? No, I want English. Please.
ください。
ご
And
飯、
Here we
ご
go.
飯と寿司。
Gohan. What is Gohan? I literally just did it. What is Gohan? I know it's in sushi, but Gohan. Oh, I think it's rice and sushi. There you
水
go.
と寿司、
Sorry, what was it?
水と寿司、
Mizuto.
水と寿司、水と寿司、
Kushi.
水と寿司、
Oh, sushi.
し、
水、ください。水、ください。
I'm sorry, there's something wrong with my volume. It will not. I cannot hear crap.
水、ください。 水ください。
Maybe it's because I'm recording. I don't know. But we don't care about that, right? No? Okay. Now what is that?
水ください。
Mizu?
水ください。
水、水、
Wait, Mizu?
水、
Miku? No, I'm joking. 5 in a row. Rice. I think it's Gohan. Go on.
水とご飯ください。水とご飯ください。
His mouth
水
movement.
とご飯ください。
Water and green tea, please. Oh man, what's this? Oh, that's a lesson. Anyway, water,
水、
mizu,
ください。
kudasai, please, sushi, sushi, green tea,
ご
gohan,
飯
green tea,
お茶
ocha,
ご飯
gohan, rice.
ご、み、み、は。お茶と水、
Oh, green tea and water. Don't know why I would ask for green tea and water. They're both liquids. Anyway. Water, mizu,
Mizu.
green tea, gohan.
ご飯
That is rice. My bad.
ご飯
お茶、寿
My
司、
bad.
ください。
And look, let's correct the exercises you missed.
寿司とご飯
Sushi and rice. 5 in a row. Green tea and water.
お
Ocha.
茶と
Ocha to
Mizu.
mizu. Green tea.
茶
水とご飯ください。水とご飯ください。
Water and green tea, please.
水とご飯ください。
Water and rice, please. Yay! Claim XP. It is not Saturday. It is. Actually, wait, it is Saturday. So lesson 3 or 4.
Sushi
We're
to
gonna stop
gohan.
at 4. Sushi and rice. Green tea, please. Ocha.
Ocha.
Kudasai.
お茶と水、お茶と水、
You'll probably hear fine. I do not. You know, green tea and water. Again.
み、
Oh, wait. Mizu, my
ず
bad.
ず、
寿司です。
Whoa!
寿司です。
There's where sushi it's. What is that period? Oh,
寿司。寿司。
why? It's sushi.
ご飯とお茶。
Okay, I'm sorry. You put it sushi I'm, so I put it in sushi I'm. On second thought, that does not make sense. But it is logical. I'm sorry, what? I'm sorry, what'd you say?
ご飯とお茶。ご飯、ご飯、ご飯とお茶。 ご飯ご飯とお茶
I'm hearing Wes.
ご飯とお茶
Ohon tocha.
お茶とご飯とお茶ご飯とお茶お茶とお茶
Ohon to ocha. Desu mizu.
水
Desu mizo. All right, you don't put it in English. You put it in opposite order. Wait, 600. No, thanks, I'm good. But don't go if you lose your progress if you creep now. Fine. Fine. I'm not even. I don't even have that many gems. I have to. I'm sorry. Wait, do I keep my food? I mean, not my food. I don't. Okay. Well, that's all I can do now. I have failed in Japanese. I'm sorry for all my Japanese that is watching. Good night. I will see you all in the next video.